The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's see what today's charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about platinum. Now, why do I want to speak about platinum? Because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, then going down on the lower ones. And by the end of the video, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here on this commodity. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment, here in the monthly, we are testing strong support. In fact, we can see how before creating this massive impulse to the upside, the last time that the market created a rejection to the downside, so a bearish swing, was from this high to this low, meaning that this is exactly the previous monthly resistance, which now that the market is testing it from above, is turned support. And when you have previous resistance turn support, you expect the market to reject it to the upside. So here in the monthly, everything seems lining up for a potential rejection higher. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that here on the weekly, we did have the creation of this W formation. Now, as we said many times, after the creation of a W, you want to see the market create a move to the downside to go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance turn support before then potentially getting rejected higher. So here on the weekly, what we have is a test of this previous resistance turn support from which we do expect our potential rejection higher. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestion for new videos. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here on the daily, this is where things start getting quite interesting. In fact, here on the daily, we have a strong impulse to the upside followed by this correction. Now, as we said many times, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, the best way is to take the Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market here has already retraced to the 50% of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse, tested it, and immediately got rejected to the upside. Now, if we extend this box to the left, we can see how this 50% is also lining up with this high, which is previous resistance turn support. So this means that actually at this level, we do have quite strong support and demand given by this 50% and previous resistance turn support. So this is a good area inside of which we could be looking for a potential swing higher and completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside in order for the market to provide a higher high and a higher low. So basically establishing the uptrend that we already wanted to see by looking at the monthly and weekly timeframes. So everything seems lining up for this move to the upside. So how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we would be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, and for the market to basically try to establish the uptrend that we would like to see. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. You first get all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you get a new daily market breakdown every single day showing you how to apply these strategies in real-time market. And you also get all your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.